guys, it's Marissa again, and I am so excited because my friends who crop with me know how much I love gnomes for Christmas. Gnomies, my gnomies, hello, so excited. But before I talk about this, let me talk about the card kit that I bought from Photoplay. And these are the different cards in it. This card kit will only make 8 cards, and I have more than 8 friends. So I bought 3 more of this, and then I bought also, and this is actually the actual kit, known for the holidays, Christmas, by Photoplay. The papers that are going to be used on the card are not the same as the papers that are in the actual kit. Similar. We'll work on that and talk about it later. So let me show you what's in this. I haven't even opened it yet myself. So what I'm going to do is follow all this, and basically it has instructions here at the back on how to do it. These are A2 cards. It's gonna be more than 8 cards, isn't it? How many cards can I make with this? Oh no, it does say 8 card stocks. But we will see, guys, and see what we can do about this. I might end up still making some A2s. We'll see. We'll see. But at the back, this is the pattern papers at the back. This is the front. I have 2 each of this. 2 each of this one. Look at that, guys. So stinking cute. I'm loving it already. And then that's the back. And then here are the bases, guys. Here are the bases, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bases, and these are A2s. But in the meantime, here's the back. And then of course, here's the stickers, which is the same as that one, the other ones that I just showed you already. I decided not to fight with the card kit and go with what we have. They provided the A2 cards, so I'm going to create A2 cards for this. I'm going to start with this, so we're going to work on this first 2. And this is the paper that goes with this card. And this 2 over here is the one that goes with this card. So let's get started in cutting this out. I'll be right back after I cut all the elements, guys. Okay, guys, I finished cutting the elements, and here they are here. And so what I'm going to do is start off with this. So we're going to start off with putting the holiday cheer down. There you go. I'm basically just putting in, hold on, let me move this and show you my dirty mat. It's easier to see it on the mat. So basically approximately 1/2 inch off of this. And then the next thing we need is this one. The card requires a string. I don't like putting string on my cards because I don't want them being bulky. I'll just leave it as is. And then the next thing we need is this sticker. And then the next item that we're going to put down is this. So I'm just gonna center this under the ribbon. And then, oh my gosh, guys, how easy is this, right? Next thing we're gonna put is this, Gnome. So I'm gonna put Gnome over here. And then we'll need some holly and berries. We're gonna put one up here. And then maybe this one. Or we're gonna put this over here. And I'm looking at this card thing here. So aside from the fact that it doesn't have a string, it looks like the card, right? So it's time to put this on the base, and hopefully it fits on the base. Perfect. All right, let's go and put the glue. There's our first card, guys. And this is the card that we follow. Yay! So we're going to the second card now. And this is a card, and it layers. So the first thing we're going to do is layer this too. And then the next layer will be the banner. We're gonna center this. Okay, and then the next item that we're going to add on is the red banner, red dot banner. This one here, it's a sticker. This goes in the middle. And then we are going to put on this circle. I only freehand this, guys. Okay, and then the next item is this sticker here. And we're gonna put it down here. The next item is our sled riding gnomies. And then we're going to put our gnomies down here in the middle. Make it a little skewed a bit, like they're going downhill. We have to put warm winter wishes. And we're putting him or her. I want this under. Go. There you go, guys. Here is the card design we followed, and here is our card. And we are now going to add it on our card front. These are easy cards to create, aren't they? There you go, guys, 2 cards. I am looking at creating this card over here and this card over here. Oh, and this is the paper that we are going to use. There is a third card that we can create off of this paper, and I'll show you how to create that in the next one. I'm going to cut this card apart, or this paper apart, to pull these 2 layers here and the other embellishment that goes with this card and that card. So I finished cutting up the papers, and for this card that we're going to create, which is this one here, we are going to be layering this now. Let me show you how I create this. So we're going to start with putting this black piece of paper here right in the middle, centering it as such. And then the next item that needs to go on here are the scalloped stickers here, one on each side. Trim the excess if there's any. All right, and then the next item we're going to put is this ho 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 sticker right here. So again, in this card, there is a string that has to go on top of that tag. I didn't take out the hole there. I just left it in because I don't want to put a string on my cards. And then we're going to put on the circle here. Putting this on about 1/4 or a little less than 1/4 of an inch on the right side. Next item we're going to put on is Santa going in or out of the chimney. He's got his sack, so I would like to think that he's going in the chimney here. I'm gonna put it here this way, right there. And then last sticker to go is this ho 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 black sticker here, and we're going to put this right there, and I want to skew it a bit. There you go. Here's the card front that we created, and there's the card that we were following. It had a string on the tag, but I didn't want the string there. So let's go ahead and work on getting the card front on the card right here. I am loving this card. They're so cute, guys. So that's our third card, and then we have here the cut aparts, or the papers that we cut apart from that 12 by 12, and we are going to create this. Guys, if you notice, this has a red border and this doesn't on this card, and it has a stitch up there. I'm not gonna put the stitch because I want this to be a fast thing to do. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put this on, kind of center it. There you go. The next item that goes in here will be, that goes on here will be our tag right there. Then the next thing we're going to add on is the sticker, and then that's the green scallop sticker, and then this red banner on top of the scallop sticker. And it goes about in the middle sort of the card. There you go. And then we will need the banner, the red banner, and this red banner goes immediately above the scallops. There you go. Guys, isn't this easy? All we're doing is just taking the stickers and putting them on. The easiest things ever. And hopefully the friends that I'm going to give this to will like them. And here we go for that. And then we will add on the sticker that says joy up here. There you go. Here is the card front. This is the card that we created, that I copied off. Very simple, guys. This is the easiest. So we're going to put this on the card front. There you go. These are the two A2 cards that we created. And there you go, guys. So this is the fourth card, and this is the third card from the kit. So we created cards 1 to 4 in this video. Please keep an eye out on the next video on Thursday to see the cards 5 to 8 from this card kit. I really enjoyed creating these cards, guys. And I hope that you enjoyed watching me and going through the process with me. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And those who are my Scrappiness family, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you. And that's pretty much it. And by the way, here's a reminder of the first 2 cards. So I will catch you guys later. Bye.